Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to do a drop cap in Adobe InDesign. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your document and follow these simple steps. So basically, this is my empty document, and now I want to add a drop cap, so I will need to have a text box. So I'm having this text box. I'm just going to fill with the placeholder, and now I have my capital letter or the first cap that I want to do the drop cap in it. So basically, I will select the first cap and go to the properties, and now I'm going to do all the changing that I want on my drop cap to have it. So basically the first thing that I will need is to have the drop cap number of lines. So basically you will start to add the lines that you want your drop cap to cover. So basically if you want just to cover 2 lines, as you can see now, it will cover only 2 lines. Depends on your preference for your text. So let's first just have another have this, for example, this font, and then you can change the font of your cap so it can be styled, etc. So let's just make it like this. You can add some colors to it, so let's just fill it and have it some colors, and you can do all the styles, all the character styling or formatting. And if you can't see this character section or menu, you can just go to the windows and search for type and tables and go to the character, and it will pop up this menu or panel. So also you can have all the styles that you want your character to be. For example, the size of the character. Now you can just have other fonts that you want, whatever you want. Also you can add, for example, an anchor and anchor an object to this thing. For example, add the flower icon or something from this can and have it anchored to your drop cap. So basically the most important thing is to add your drop cap number of lines, so it can be drop cap character and will take the lines that you want. So simply this is how you can do a drop cap in your Adobe InDesign document or page. Thank you for watching and see you next time.